Hello friends. Today when we are getting all the news channels giving us information about the upcoming and increasing data, increasing cases of infections, and also that is available on the newspapers and other social media networks. So those figures, increasing figures, are scaring us a lot, and that scaredness is actually killing us from inside. With that, our immune system is getting depleted every time when we are just listening to those figures. So today we would be talking about COVID-19 and other kind of virus infections, and how can we become more stronger than these viruses so that we can get ourselves less affected by all of these, or we can develop inner strength to the fight or to live with these viruses. I am Ranjit Khuller, NLP trainer and life coach. Would be talking about this topic of how can we become more stronger than these kind of viruses. So friends, when we talk about these viruses, then we also talk that for any of the infections there are two basic reasons. One is the reason that comes from outside world, and that is how hygienic I am, or how clean is my environment, or how we can take care of the things that is coming from outside and infecting us on our skin. And the another thing that is important is our inner strength, because if I am not strong from inside, then definitely I will be get infected with any of the bacterial or viral infections very easily. And people who are getting infections in the changes of the season, they are more prone to any kind of viral infection, and people who will be infected by this virus even on a higher side. So friends, today I would be talking about the various ways how can we increase our mental strength to be more stronger on that part, because the external factors are being taken care of and advertised in a much better way. Like people are talking about how can we be more hygienic, or how can we clean our surfaces and clean our outer world in a much better way, sanitizing them, cleaning our hands, cleaning our vegetables, all those stuff. But how can I clean my mind so that my immune system and my body should be prepared to fight against all these things? In my last 10 years healing practices, I have met a number of people who were very hygienic and who were getting very good diet, because they were from a very upper class families. So even after having all these things done, still they were affected by a lot many diseases. So uh, then I started studying and looking for the research papers, and then I found out that it is the emotional strength that also very important to fight against any of the infection, any of the viral thing. So when we get into deeper into those case studies, I found out that yeah, they had a lot many emotional imbalances that were creating a, uh, a, a base for these kind of illnesses. That apart from getting yourself hygienic, or getting all this sanitization done, and also eating a healthy food, the other things that are required is, first thing is your inputs in your mind, that what all things that you are throwing inside your mind. So anyone cannot stop the information that is coming from these new challenges or the social media. But do I need to receive all the information inside? Yes, I can see that these informations are important, but how often they need to come inside me? I need to put a filter by asking question, that is it for me? How this information is going to impact and affect me right now? Am I taking care of all the external things that are required to keep myself safe from the virus? I'm not going outside in the crowded place. I'm keeping myself sanitized. I'm taking care of my hygiene. I'm taking care of my food. I'm giving more time to my family and staying there with them. So by doing all these things, 95% I'm safe from this viral attack. So is it required for me to be more aware and alert for it? I need to be relaxed, because in this relaxation only I will develop that inner strength to fight against this viral attack. So two questions: one, is this information is required for me or not? Am I taking care of all the things that is being told to me? Another is, if I'll be relaxed, I'll be more safer than if I'll be in a panic. Yeah. So by putting these two questions, I'm making my inner strength, my mind stronger, that this way I can counter myself. The another point is, how can I make my emotions strong? My emotions get stronger when I accept all kind of emotions. Even if I am low, feeling low, even if I am feeling jealous about something, even if I'm feeling anger, then also I need to accept that these are just the emotions, these are just the feelings, and I need to accept it, that oh, in a day these will come and go. Accept that, be acknowledge that, and stay with that feeling for some time. And then again you can ask yourself a question, that how long should I stay in this state? Because if I stay in this state longer, I am getting myself more prone to this infection. Do I need to understand that I want to be safe from this virus attack? So for that, I need to come out of this feeling and start feeling happy with my family, and look for the solutions. What all can be the solutions for any of the problem that you are facing right now? Not keeping everything inside your mind, just put that on the papers, and just feel that now you need to give only a small portion of your time for your these feelings that are getting you in a low side of feeling. And the another point is, from whichever religion you are, or you believe in God or not, or you are into any other spiritual path, you need to follow your rituals, or the whatever these books are telling you. So these books, this knowledge, this information that are coming from all those scriptures are giving us the ways to live life in a better way, in a healthier way. So we can read them, we can get those things in our life, and practice them to be stronger, and have faith on God, or have faith on universe. And or if you don't believe in universe or God, then have faith on yourself, develop faith on yourself, that yes, you can fight with any kind of adversities. And this is the adversities that is coming up, and I am stronger than this adversity and can take care of it. So by taking care of all the norms that is being suggested to us, I can feel from inside that yes, I can fight in this scenario too. So with this thought, I'm very much sure that you are taking care of yourself with all the hygiene and with all the norms that has been taught, given to you, and you are safe. You are with your work, with your job. You are doing the job in a very safe mode.